Hi my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel for another week for another plant-based recipe. So today I'm going to make soursop juice. Stay tuned for this video. So soursop is a fruit that is very prevalent in the Caribbean. You can eat it or you can make juice with it. It's very sweet and nice. So I'm going to show you how I make soursop juice without milk. So I'll use lime and some sugar to sweeten it. Soursop is high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and here in the Caribbean we believe it's good for cancer. So a lot of people do eat this. I don't think it is proven. I'm going to cut it in half like I did just now, and you can just eat this. You don't have to make juice with it. You can just as it is. Because I'm going to make juice with it, I'm going to remove the skin. Make sure you take out the stem from the middle. So now that it is peeled and ready, I'm going to remove the seeds. Because I'm going to blend it, I will just remove the seeds from it. This is like the pod, and I'll just remove the seed. If you were going to do it the traditional way, you would need to remove the seed because you just add water and squeeze out the juice. And you do this probably 1 or 2 times depending on how thick you want it. So I just do this off camera. Took out all the seeds. Hopefully I will spot any if there are any more in there. So I just place, as I mentioned, I'm going to blend it. I'm not going to do it the traditional way. So I'm going to put probably half of that in there. Then I'll add some water because this is a 24-ounce cup. So I'll take it up to the maximum liquid level. So I'm going to now blend this for probably 30 seconds to a minute. So this is the texture, very creamy. I will not even strain it because everything was blended out. I did it for 30 seconds. I will just now pour it in my jar. And then I will repeat the process. So now I'm going to sweeten this. I have a lemon. As growing up, I used to always use milk, or parents used to always use milk, but I'm using a lemon. So I took out the seeds. I'm going to squeeze it in. I find it's more refreshing when you add lemon to it. If you like, you can use. Now I'm going to add some sugar to it. I don't like sugar that much, so I'll probably add 3 tablespoons. If it needs more sugar, then I'll go ahead and add it to it. Mix. And this is very thick, guys. This is very, very thick. You can add as much water as you please. I don't want it too watery. I prefer when it is creamy, thick, and nice. Tasted it, and I think it needs some more lime, so I'm going to add half more lemon to it. And I'll just mix it again. So I'll now pour some in my jar. And again, soursop juice is high in vitamin C, antioxidants. It boosts your immune system, fights inflammation. It has a lot of health benefits. Vitamins B, vitamins B1, B3, folate, calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, zinc, copper. And here in the Caribbean, we also use the leaf to make tea, and we believe that it cures or fights the cancer cells. Please feel free to try this recipe. Eat your fruits and veggies, boost your immune system, and stay healthy. So thank you for viewing, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done so yet, click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So until my next video, do stay blessed and have an awesome day. Thank you.